Hello Facebook. I'm just going to move this in a little bit here to see that you can see it. It's Nancy and I am doing a live video in my personal page because I would like to show you this crazy, amazing opportunity that SeneGence has out there this month in September. So every single person who would like a makeup membership for the first time in the history that I know of with SeneGence, it's totally free. So not only can you sign up for free and get 20 to 50% off all year long. It's like Costco saying, hey, come on in and sign up for a free membership and you can shop at Costco all year long. So everybody would be rushing in, and I'm really thankful at all the women who've decided to join us and get their makeup and everything. But today I wanted to quickly show you what one of the items are that you can purchase when you sign up. So this is called our new distributor kit, and this one is our 300 PV. I don't know if you can see it here. It's our 300 PV order. So in this kit, you would actually receive 12 LipSense colors, 12 glosses, and 6 oops. So you can use this yourself or you can share it with other people, totally up to you. And it also includes our demo kit. So should you want to share it with your friends at work, there's tester sizes. So I'm going to go through this package for you. And again, this is for wholesale customers or distributors. This particular kit, when you sign up for free this month, you're going to get over 62% free. And if you do want to sell it, it even comes with a 3-month subscription to our websites where you can share with your friends for no charge. So I'm really excited to show you this. So many people have asked me what's in this kit. So we're going to open it up and you're going to take a look just on your own. I also actually have purchased in the past myself this Fast Start kit. This is actually a kit of a friend of mine who signed up, and I asked her if I could do the demo. So we're going to open the box, and it's always like Christmas when you get something from our SeneGence company, and you gotta love our lips packing tape. We definitely do package well. You never need to worry about anything. Okay, so this would be exactly what you see when your package arrives. So let's see. Oh, there it is again. So this is exactly what comes in your box. It's called a qualified distributor kit. Now this product, so this kit itself will cost you, I think, $365 plus tax and shipping. You get a 50 or 62% discount, but they're giving you a 50% discount on everything that you order when you order this kit and add to it. So if you want skincare, if you want anything else, you can add to this order and get 50% off. So check it out. Here's the colors, there's the glosses and the remover. They're going to give you the lips kit, which helps you share with people, and I'm going to show it all to you. And this is the SeneBiz and the SeneGence SeneSite. So let's open up this one and see what's in here. The great thing about our stuff is that it can be packaged. When you get a big box, it's exciting because, you know, packages so small, you can get little boxes. Let me see what's here. Now this is the neutral collection. You have a choice. You can choose between 2 different collections, the neutral or the bold. Again, that's that same piece of information. And if you like matte, it comes with 3 matte gloss. And this is our remover because our product stays on for 4 to 18 hours. You need a remover to actually take it off. It will not budge, smudge, transfer. So here's our glossy gloss right here. So you get 7 of those. I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9 of those. 9 glossy gloss. So you could have one for yourself and share this with 8 of your friends. And a collection normally starts at $67 with your gloss, your oops, and your remover. So you do the math. If you sell to 7 of your friends, they're going to help you pay for the cost of this kit, and you'll make money. So let's go through all of these beautiful colors. Let me tell you a little about these colors, okay? Because I do know most of them now. Beige Champagne. I'm going to see if I can get these nice and clear for you. Beige Champagne. It's very neutral. Dawn Rising. Again, a shimmer. Great for the fall. For those who love nude colors, this would be wonderful. First Love, one of our most favorite colors that people love. Great for weddings. You die how I'm doing this. I've got it on my daughter's microphone stand. Pink champagne. Every girl needs pink champagne because with our colors, you can mix. You put them on 3 layers. So with the 3 layers, one could be pink champagne, one could be a darker color, and then another color, and you mix them up and they make a beautiful custom color. Okay, cocoa, this is the most gorgeous color. I had no idea. It was really great, again, for mixing in combinations, but it's got a very beautiful gold undertone to it. It looks very natural and neutral on darker skins, and it's beautiful on everybody. Praline Rose, this is my #1 seller for the brides, and yes, this weekend I'm at Kitchener-Waterloo for the bridal show there. What have we got? Okay, Goddess. This is when you love pink, you love Goddess. It is pink in its truest form. Actually, I think Chantel wore this on her wedding day as well. So these are all our neutral collection. Cappuccino, very popular, almost beige, like white nude. This is an amazing color. Definitely if you're darker skinned, this looks like a nude on you, completely no color. Sheerberry, very popular, another color that's excellent with mixing. When you put this one with several colors. For the fall, this is a must-have color. Bella, another huge wedding color. Sorry people, I can't see any comments. I can see my phone's kind of scrolling up, but I've got the phone on Megan's microphone stand and I'm doing this on my kitchen table. Bella, hugely popular color, very natural, mauve tint. Depending on the color of your lips, it can be darker or lighter. It looks different on everybody. And Plum Pretty. Okay, so many people have no idea how this beautiful lip color is applied. And I'm going to put my hammer behind it so you see. It actually has a luminous look to it, and it's got a frosty finish. This, I wish I could, maybe I should shake it. You know, with all of our lip colors, you have to shake, shake, shake for at least 30 seconds, especially when they're new. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. See that pearlized look? This color is absolutely gorgeous. You can use it in combination with, what color was it? I think it was Cappuccino to give a rose gold look. I had to look. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful color. So those are the colors. Check it out. Now, normally one of these colors are $30 and one of our glosses are $25 and our, are $12. You're going to get all of these in this collection. You're going to get all of these glosses and removers in this collection. Like, this is insane because people buy 3 from me for $125. 3 colors with 1 gloss and 1 remover, and they pay $125, and I'm going to give you 12. Well, I'm not. The company is when you sign up. And then they give you this free, completely. It's in here. It's called our Lips Kit. Take it out. Sorry for the noise. Oh, it's got a new distributor kit down here as well. This is how they're packaging, because this was one of the new distributors who loaned me their kit to show you. So if you're a new person, you're also going to get this beautiful kit that's going to tell you all about our company, and there's a book in there by our founder Joni. I'm not going to open that right yet because this is what I want to get to. Let me see if I can see that there. Okay, so this is the Lips Kit. I love our packaging. So this again is a little promo piece in there. LipSense, dear distributor, for a new distributor. And this tells you exactly what's in here. Now I have to tell you, these colors match what's in your kit here so that you can take Sheerberry, the tester that's in here, and you can keep these for yourself and use disposable wands to test them on other people and sell what you don't want for yourself. It's crazy. So my very favorite color is caramel apple. And look, it's in here. Bombshell, that's the one that Jennifer Aniston wears. Sheer berry, gorgeous for the fall. The Dawn Rising was in here. Love it. Okay, here's another. This is crazy. If you're signing up this month and you order this kit, the company is going to give you a Love It full-size LipSense plus another gloss. It's a diamond gloss and a remover. So this is the September special in case people are watching this later. September 2018. The company for qualifying orders is giving a Love It, a diamond gloss, and an Oops. Bella is also in here. Beautiful. I mean, you saw it. And the glossy gloss. They're going to give you an Oops remover. They're going to give you a 50 pack of disposable applicators, a demo guide so you can read up and learn what to do to sell with your friends and show them. And then it's going to give you some receipts, some beauty books, and a portfolio, and some samples of the glossy gloss. So this kit in here is actually intended for you to share this. So this is for those who want the business opportunity. So for people who are wholesale customers, this is a real bonus because now they're giving you the chance to make money even if you weren't thinking you wanted to. So in here, this is our lovely binder that it comes with. And I want to say hi to anybody who's watching because I can't see you. I'm going to open it up. So in here is where we would put all of these colors and glosses and everything that we've seen. And I'm going to show you what's under here. This is going to be a great video for me to show people what they get on YouTube for signing up. So this is what's inside that will go in this binder. So inside, I'm going to show you the slight difference. These are the colors. And when we say they're testers, as you can see, these are probably just, if you got them, you wouldn't know anything different, except that they are, in fact, just a little smaller than our regular ones. They're actually the size of our Shadow Sense. So the colors you're going to get in here are my favorite, caramel apple, sheer berry. Oh, what is this one? Why do I have two caramel apples? Do I have two caramel apples? Or is that my caramel apple? Well, guess what? I don't know if that's unusual. I have two caramel apples. So which one am I missing, I wonder? I have Love It. I have Dawn Rising. Oh no, sheer berry. I have, what is that? Dawn Rising. And Bella. So let me see which one is missing here. There's no Bombshell in this collection. So I guess that they can substitute. Bombshell is missing from here. So they must have run out. And I have a glossy gloss and an Oops. So you would take these and you would put them in your binder so that you have these to test. Now you never want to use your product on its own because you'll be contaminating it. You don't want to use it on someone's skin. So they give you some disposable wands and they give you some sample glossy gloss that you can give the people that try it on. Now, these are our beauty books. Looks like I think they're still getting rid of, are they the older ones or the newer ones? Yeah, so they're still getting rid of the older ones. We've just switched our beauty books. And then here's a glamour demo guide. So what this does is when you're sharing this with your friends, this book here will actually say to you, watch, the beauty book. It tells you about it. And then it's going to start you, in case anybody wants to know, it's going to start you with all the information that you need to know if you're going to go to someone's house and set up. And then it's going to take you through. So when someone says to me, I don't know how to do a launch or home party, they give you the book. it starts you right at the beginning, and it'll say, here we go, on page 3, we're going to talk about, so this one here says page, see this says page 6. So here, this is going to tell us when you get to page 6, 7, actually, this is so funny. They have the new beauty book in here, but they have the instructions, but they have the old beauty books. So let me just switch to show you. Here's the new beauty book. So if we're on page 6, 7 in this. Oh, no, they didn't. I'm sorry, that's my mistake. They do have the old book in here. Anyway, I'm not going to get into this. It's right here, page 6, 7. So that's good. So anyway, it takes you through the whole beauty book and what to say and what to do. So then there is our order forms. So they give you, if you do want, what this kit is for is to share with other people, right? That's what they're wanting you to do. So let me put these things back in here because, as I mentioned, this is not my particular Glamour Demo kit. And this is the neutral one for $365. They're going to give you all that LipSense, and let me put these in here, and then I'm going to put this here, and that's what you've got. So all of that goes in here. Let me move that out of the way so that you can see it, and I'll tidy that up after. So as a recap, you get that and all the full-size products. If you're interested in this, again, this month, it is only $365 for all of this, including enough to sell 11 collections to somebody, or you can do, I'm not going to open this because it's not mine, but in here they're also giving you what we call our distributor kit. When people spend $55 to sign up, they normally receive this package. And this package actually has written documentation to tell you, hello, thank you for joining our company as a member. We'd love to, have you as a wholesale customer. And if you should choose, here's some information about being a distributor. And then it gives you some documentation and some order forms. And it gives you the book that Joni, our founder, wrote. This month, they're giving you that absolutely free. So you save the $55 plus tax and shipping, which is $79.10. When you order this in September, they're giving you a Love It collection, including a diamond gloss and an oops remover, plus all of the stuff you've seen here at this crazy amount reduced. I think it was 62 it said, or 67% instead of the regular 50%. What can I say? I'm out of breath. This is just too exciting for words. I'm going to save this video so I can share it with everybody to see what's in our Glamour Demo Kit. But this month you can get all of that for $365. Just contact me, and if you want different colors, there's a bold collection. Thanks again. Have an amazing day, and thanks for watching. And if you come and watch on the replay, let me know.